Megan Fancers here in Chandler, Arizona on a beautiful New Year's Day. I've been riding my bike around the neighborhood, up the streets, on curbs, on sidewalks. And I like riding my bike because I like going fast and going off-road into the dirt, kind of. And it's just fun. Happy New Year!